Hey guys, so today we are out on the road all day today, and I wanted to show you what I eat throughout the day. Living on the road, out of a tiny space, particularly in a SUV where I don't have a fridge or cooler or anything like that. My diet has drastically changed from when I lived in the van and had a fridge to now. For me, it's kind of like a frugal / non-perishable, me trying to eat healthy diet, but it's not like the best. But it is what I've been doing, so I want to show you, like, for real what I would typically eat throughout a normal day. As you can see, I'm currently at a truck stop right now. I just got gas, about to hop back on the road. But first, it is the beginning of the day, and I am hungry for some breakfast, so let me show you what I'm gonna do for that. I gravitate towards oatmeal first thing in the morning. Sometimes I'll just grab a piece of fruit, like a banana, an apple, maybe some peanut butter, but more often than not, I go with something like this, where it's in a cup. I kind of love these Kodiak cakes, oatmeal cups. It's like almost instant breakfast. As you've probably seen before, if you've watched my videos, this is my little portable camp stove and the pot, my one and only way of cooking right now. I actually used to have a pan. I've downscaled to just a single pot. I'm gonna do some guerrilla filmmaking here. That should work. Don't fall. And for this little oatmeal, I only need like less than 1/3 of a cup. Dump that in there. Get this fire rolling. Crack this open. This is the maple brown sugar kind, but there's also like a chocolate kind I really like and a peanut butter kind. It is currently in like the low teens wherever I'm at, and it's freezing cold. Already boiling here. Woo, look at it go. All right, so once it's done boiling, you just dump it right over the oatmeal, just till it's covered, and then I need a spoon. And then you give it a good stir. This is impossible to do while holding the camera, so I'm going to put the camera down, and you just give it a good stirring. It says to cover it for 2 minutes, and then you wait. Okay, it's already been 2 minutes, so then you can uncover the oatmeal, and then it is ready to go already. So, super quick breakfast, guys. As you can see, we're at another truck stop, and it is lunchtime. Okay, so usually for lunch, I will have either something along the lines of some noodles, some ramen, or some soup. I am going to go with classic chicken noodle. Well, actually, this is no chicken noodle. It's like the vegan kind. I eat it right out of the pot, and then once I'm done eating, I immediately will spray this with like vinegar water, which thank you to my subscribers who suggested to me in my Realities of Car Life video that instead of rinsing them with a bunch of water, all you gotta do is make a spray bottle with some vinegar and spray it to wipe it out with paper towels instead. And now I'm gonna thaw out by eating my soup, and I will speak to you later when we're down the road, and it is snack time. All right, guys, it is a couple hours later, and I am starting to get peckish and want a little snack, so let's go over that. So we're at a store right now, and I had to pick up a few groceries, and I found the ramen that I've been loving, and I want to show you this because going back to lunch, this has been like a staple of mine, probably consistently, just as consistent as the oatmeal packets I showed you. But this, I just love this kind of ramen, and it just tastes really good, and it's filling, and I like it, so I want to make sure to show you that. That's all. Anyway, so now on to the snack portion. Let's start with the healthy apple. Fruit. My staples when it comes to produce in the car have been apples and bananas because they don't need to be refrigerated. Gotta have the peanut butter. Sometimes I'll eat it with just a spoon. Sometimes I'll eat it on bread or a rice cake or something, but peanut butter is another great snack. Trail mix. I like these individual packets, but I'll also just get like a jar of it. But yeah, these are really, really good for the road, for hiking, just anytime really. For a quick snack attack, I'll probably have this today. But yeah. And then probably on the less healthy side, but not horrible maybe, is this brownie. But if you are gonna go a brownie, this one is pretty good. So yeah, these are awesome. All right, guys, so it is a different day. Holidays happened and life happened. But we're back for dinner on another day. So last but not least, I want to show you my chicken avocado recipe that I made all the time in this car. All right, so you will need 1 avocado. I have a few here just in case one is not good anymore. 1 can of organic chicken breast. You can also use a can of chickpea or any other protein you're interested in. It's really hard to mess this up. So whatever you have on hand, salt, pepper, and then your favorite spices. I like minced onion or garlic. I've used both before. And your favorite hot sauce. I'll switch it up eventually, but right now I'm liking me some Cholula. So start off with peeling your avocado. Dice it up, throw it in a bowl. Add your chicken or protein. Then you just mash these together. All right, now all I'm gonna do is add my seasonings into the bowl. So I'm gonna add some salt, grind some pepper in there. Add your onion. You can use fresh onion. I just live in a car, so minced onion it is. Now to finish it off, I'm gonna use 2 rice cakes. Spread this on evenly. Now I top it with my Cholula here. Just a little drizzle. And there you go. Chicken avocado on rice cakes. Very delicious. Sam loves it when I make this because he gets to lick out the container. All right, give it a little taste test here. You don't need to add as much salt if you're using these rice cakes, as they're already salty, but it doesn't hurt. It's good for a little crunch if you're like me and you like crunch. Otherwise, put it on some bread, some rolls. Really, really simple, filling. All right, guys, so that is a look at what I eat in a day, a typical day living out of this car. If you have any suggestions for me, if you guys live on the road and you have any suggestions you want to add to this, please drop them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful at all, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more travel videos like this. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out.